Welcome to 45 Sandy Lane, to this beautiful high ranch nestled in Wolcott. We have 3 beautiful features that I love about this home: 3-car garage, ample entertaining space, and 2 full kitchens. Let's go in and see. As you walk in, we have this beautiful spacious kitchen on the first floor. Upstairs in the second kitchen has been updated with a new refrigerator and dishwasher, both of stainless steel, hardwood floors throughout the kitchen into the dining space, which flows to the upper deck with beautiful views to enjoy your meals. This home not only features 1, 2, but 3 garages, ideal for a workshop or extra storage space if needed. This home features a first floor porch leading to the second floor deck overlooking a beautiful outdoor space. Thank you for touring with me today at 45 Sandy Lane here in Wolcott. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to get back to you.